Introducing the Anteris Table 700 series, designed for strength, stability and modern workspaces. Featuring a robust steel frame, precision engineered legs and a clean, minimalistic profile, the 700 series delivers exceptional durability and load performance. Its modular design allows flexible configurations, while a high-quality tabletop ensures long-lasting, everyday use. The Anteris 700 series, engineered to support the way you work. Core features of the Anteris Table 700 series are universal modular design, including reversible capability, adjustable height, simple to use hand control, an optional safety system, a maximum lifting capacity of 544 kilograms, powered braking system, easy clean and removable mattresses. For orthopedic shoulder procedures, the table integrates seamlessly with specialised positioning systems. For the beach chair position shown, the table is required to be in reverse position as indicated on the remote control. The leg sections also need to be removed and a shoulder section added using the blade attachment. The head attachment is a singular locking joint with a full rotational movement for the correct fixation. The back section is split into 3 individual shoulder support sections which can easily be removed or slid across into the desired position. The table is adjusted to the correct position by the user, often legs down, head section up and Trendelenburg. The condor trauma attachment is designed for rapid response when every second matters. Engineered to provide secure stabilisation and efficient patient handling, it integrates seamlessly with the condor system to support trauma care in high pressure environments. Built with durable materials and a streamlined design, the condor trauma attachment enhances control, safety and workflow, helping responders focus on what matters most: critical patient care. The robust and simple trauma trolley comes on a small footprint and is easily manoeuvrable. The pelvic and lower support section is designed to support the lower torso and pelvic region. This section enhances balance and weight distribution. Its carbon fibre construction contributes to better patient stability and allows for improved C-arm access. The condor trauma system comes with a left or right-sided pelvic post and its connection points. Here, the gross traction is applied manually to align the limb. Fine traction is used to fine-tune the length and position prior to the fixation. The Condor disposable trauma boot is a single-use patient interface device designed to be used with the Condor trauma table or traction system. It provides a secure, hygienic attachment point for applying traction to the lower limb during trauma assessment, stabilisation and transfer. The boot fits over the patient's foot and ankle and is secured using integrated straps that distribute force evenly, helping to maintain proper limb alignment while reducing pressure points. It's designed to allow both gross traction for initial limb alignment and fine traction for precise adjustments once alignment is achieved. For any further information on the points discussed today, please speak to the clinical team here at Brandon Medical.